There is no let-up in the opposition and outrage against the peace accord. And the All-Party Hills Leaders Conference Mahamai Constituency Committee on Tuesday evening held a torch rally in Paklongkam to express their strong opposition against the sub-clause 2.3 of the peace accord. The regional party of the area held the torch rally covering more than 6 kilometers to demand immediate withdrawal of the controversial sub-clause in the peace accord, which was signed on September 4 with Centre. The rally, organized by APHLC Mahamai Constituency Committee, commenced at 7 p.m. from Langhirang LP School playground. During the torch rally, participants expressed their deep resentment and vehement opposition against the sub-clause 2.3 of the peace accord to keep the 10 seats of the Autonomous Council open for all communities. The protesters say that keeping 10 seats for open categories is not only a threat but is harakiri, as it contradicts the very existence and mission of the 6th schedule, which is to protect the indigenous tribes. The protesters demanded the birth or reservation. Further, the protesting regional party stated that sub-clause 2.3 of the peace accord is unacceptable at any cost and must be scrapped immediately, and warned that they will continue strong but democratic movement and protest against it. The party also informed that they have filed their objection at the High Court and planning to move to the Supreme Court. Mahamai Constituency Committee President Mongol Singh Teron, Harakhat LA General Secretary Robi Singh Ronghang, Youth Wing President among others, led the torch rally program, which was concluded at 9 p.m.
Langhirang LP School Pathua Klamalong Pen Dak Mulajan Habekro Krong Thom Tuar Kachik Tokan Nilitum Kilometer Ner Kebne Sose Ajak Nilitum Metheng Tompen nang chisong wangsi niltum dak anang palilu bangso akachisong ponang ko kelahen lo non het jong tarik free arni bangso chiklo tim karbiang long mate tuliram rong hang lapen MP Horen Singh bia ke hai tum japon si da karbiang long risim ki ot kangtang pen tim song trok asong atum phan Japon si hadil hi arong supian pali damlo bangso ke Japon ke lake monsam po amen bense alang itum Japon iglo halaso monsam ke Japon ke non bang ke itum karbia rat aphan monsam kali monduk puse honda hokdam nang kokpo
kopi pose da ka song nang kok make nilitum chini je karbiang long sit cap abang ke yordam dadlo athema ilitum arlenge the tum la pan ke thek the ka joglu akhai tulram long hang stame alang li karbiang long ke bhar lecture thek piglo bon sami new delhi long dam lo hindi an ta nengi dun thek the pu arlenge the amase hola sit ke babang ta holang lu dun plot thang yang lo la se ne tum ningduk piglo selebang so lam don alang li tum chi prepare tik ke nil tum la so me theng tom pe ni tum che song bom ji la pen che song veri
Samsung Inches report from Dongmukak for Karbi Anglong Live.